Before I show you today's adorable story, make sure to subscribe. This channel is all about moments that make your day better. This dog has the sweetest daily routine you'll ever see. Every morning she heads to the market all on her own. She walks straight up to the vendors like a regular customer. You can tell how proud she is every time she carries that basket back. She never forgets what she came for or who she's bringing it home to. I love how she knows exactly which fruits she wants. The confidence she has while shopping has me in tears. Everyone at the market must know her by name at this point. Honestly, we don't deserve dogs.